Hey everybody, Matthew here, and another week has gone by. It's Plant of the Week, and today, Delosperma Kaleidoscope Razzle Dazzle. And I think it will razzle dazzle you if you come in and look at them. They are amazing. So some people call these like an ice plant. They are a succulent. They only get a couple inches tall, so they stay really low and flat like a carpet, but can spread about 21 inches or so around, like a little clump. And they have these fantastic iridescent flowers that are really, really cool. They are going to be easy to grow. Make sure they get plenty of sun, at least 4 to 6 hours of sun for maximum blooming. They could probably live with less than full sun, but they're not going to bloom as often. So make sure if you want the flowers to get them in the sun. Now you can grow these in containers or as a ground cover in the garden. So either way, whether you're growing them in the ground or you're growing them in containers, they're going to make a great accent plant for your garden here in Northeast Florida. You guys come check them out. They are very cool. Don't forget, check us out on all of our other social media platforms for more gardening tips and tricks to keep you guys growing all year round. See you next week.